Shahid, tell us about the music. I think Mukhtasar mein jo ek jo piano ka jo ek element hai, you've used in the theatrical trailer as well. I think that's beautiful. You've been getting a fabulous response from all across.
Yeah, man, the response to the music has been really, really good. We're all really happy about that. And yes, Mukhtasar was my favorite song. I still remember पहली बार जब मुझे कुणाल ने गाना सुनाया था, I was sitting at home and I started jumping on my sofa. I was so happy. I really like songs like this. I mean, I've had a few songs like this in the past, like Bakhuda and stuff. Basically, songs which are romantic, and then you take them and put them into a mix which is very clubby and very dancey.
Right.
I always feel those kind of songs tend to last longer because they are melody heavy and at the same time you can dance to them.
Right.
So I really like the song, and yeah, it's doing really well. I mean, according to your sources, which we can all depend on. So very happy about that. The film is coming out on the 22nd of June, so just another 20 days to go.
Right.
Gearing up the promotions, remembering what it's like to be up at 8 in the morning, which I haven't done for a while.
Okay, no, I think it's not merely my sources. I think the songs and all they've been trending. I think that's all. I think it was number one as far as the international worldwide. That is something.
But in fact, we were all really, really shocked because the music had just released online. Even the CDs hadn't come out, and within I think an hour of the music releasing, that's all I really want to do was trending worldwide. And what was really cool was that everybody was using it like a tagline.
Right.
They were hashtagging it, and then they were like, blah blah blah, that's what I really want to do, blah blah blah, that's what I really want to do, have a cup of coffee, that's what I really want to do, go for a walk, that's what I really want to do.
Right.
So it kind of became like this term which everybody was using to define their state of mind,
Right.
which is really nice because it kind of connects with the film.